We do all sorts of dentures. We do upper dentures. We can a full denture, replacing all your teeth on the upper. We do a full denture on the lower, replacing all your teeth on the lower. Partial dentures, similar. Whether you're missing a bunch of teeth, but you still got a bunch of teeth on the upper, or a bunch of teeth on. You still have teeth on the lower. We can replace the teeth that are missing. This procedures usually can be done within a 5 to 6 week period. You can go from having nothing to say 6 weeks later, maybe 7 tops, is you're going to have a denture and you walk out and then you'll have teeth again and you can smile. Dentures are wonderful because, if you've been walking around and you're not tasting your food, you're not chewing, and now you have something and you can actually chew and function. We need to have our teeth back again, and so that we can chew and function and enjoy life and enjoy food.